And yes, I got the Monster Clucks finally as well. This was at Walmart, not the dump bins, but it was on the pegs. New 2026, guys. Monster Clucks. I love the matte black paint. Here's the back. We all know what the back is because I have the Piranha. I also saw Wave Wrecker, which I want to get soon. There's Monster Clucks, guys. It says, what's it? Something. Oh, Spicy Wings. There we go. This is Safety Wings. Name, Monster Clucks, Truck Type, City, Strength, the Wing King, Crash Type, the Sauce Boss. Pretty nice, guys. Pretty nice little truck. Card is messed up, but that's alright. I don't care because I open them. Further ado, let's get into it. Ooh, okay. There it is, guys. I love that. The rims match like a hot sauce color, which is nice. An orange roll cage. Dairy delivery body, Monster Clucks. He has muscles, the chicken. Spicy Wings. No headlight printing. Monster Clucks on top. It's all matte paint, which is nice. I love the wing detail, the wings. Monster Truck logo there. And on the back, it says Monster Clucks, Spicy Wings. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Chrome chassis. So yeah, pretty cool, guys. I love how the Hot Wheels is actually hot sauce. So like, subscribe, comment, share. That's all the 2 trucks I got today. Peace out. More unboxings coming soon.